Today we are going to talk about Li-Fi. Here's how Li-Fi or Light Fidelity works. In very simple words, Li-Fi is light-based Wi-Fi. While Wi-Fi uses radio frequency to transmit data, Li-Fi uses light to transmit it. With the help of Li-Fi, it is possible to transmit data using the lines of LED bulbs that we use for light sources at home. When you flow a constant current through an LED bulb, the bulb gives you a constant light. And whenever we turn off the flow of electricity, the light also turns off. Very simple thing. We also know that everything in the digital world is determined by 0 and 1. And in this case, if no current flows through the bulb, then it will be 0, and when maximum current flows through the bulb, it will be 1. Similarly, if the light bulb is turned on and off very quickly, then a dataset of zeros and ones is created. And it is possible to run Wi-Fi by receiving this dataset in the receiver. You may feel that if the light bulb in your house is constantly flickering, then you may have problems in the house. But let me tell you that if the bulb installed in your house is connected to alternating current, then it turns on and off for 50 seconds. Because the frequency of the electricity we use at home is 50 Hz and it is not visible to your eyes. If you turn on the camera of the mobile phone, it can be caught, but you will not even understand the flicker that will happen in the case of Li-Fi. Because there are more frequencies used. In this case, the connection from the internet to your home will first go into a modem. And from the modem, an LED driver will go into it, which will control the LED lights in your house. Now the light signal will be converted into an electric signal with the receiver, and it will be given to your computer, with the help of which you will get internet connection on your computer. This is the simple diagram of Li-Fi. But why do we need Li-Fi even though we have Wi-Fi? There are mainly three reasons for this. One is that our data needs are gradually increasing, and all the devices we use cannot be wired, so everything needs to be wireless. And secondly, Internet of Things. Earlier we used internet only on computers and mobiles. But nowadays everything from our watch to TV fridge needs internet. And the day is going to come that even the locks and keys of the house will be connected with the internet. So for all this we need high-speed internet. The biggest problem that comes up with our Wi-Fi is that its speed is very low. But if you have 2 or 3 devices connected to your home Wi-Fi, then you can't say that the speed of Wi-Fi is low. No, fast, it will seem normal to you. But if you go to a public place where Wi-Fi connection is provided to everyone, like a railway station, a stadium, or a big building, then you will realize that the Wi-Fi is not capable of handling so many clients at once. When the number of clients increases, the speed also drops. Also, the Wi-Fi security system is not very good. Hacking is relatively easy since you can't even see who is using your Wi-Fi. What do we say when we first hear about Li-Fi? It is said that each device will have a large pipeline for transferring and receiving. Then it is said that it will be much faster. And 100% will be secure. Since you have to stay near the light to use Li-Fi, its security will be much higher than Wi-Fi. But the reality is much different. When some of the first Li-Fi devices came out in 2017, their speeds were much slower, hovering around 43 Mbps. But if you were to buy a Wi-Fi device that year, you would easily get 100 Mbps or even 30 Mbps Wi-Fi in the market. But currently Li-Fi is available in gigabyte, but its price is very high, and there is another problem that you have to keep the lights on to use the internet. If you think that you will keep the light off, but the internet will not work, it means that there are various problems in this Li-Fi. So this technology was not so successful. And the Wi-Fi that was available earlier was simplex, which means you either have to send it or receive it. Nowadays, duplex Wi-Fi is available, which allows data to be sent and received at the same time. So the speed problem in Wi-Fi is much less than before. Due to all these reasons, this technology could not be as successful as Li-Fi was supposed to be. So friends, if you like it so far, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. And if you have subscribed, thank you very much.